COLOURLOCK new leather care kit. We have it in mild and in strong. The difference is just the cleaner. Here is a mild cleaner inside, and here you will find a strong leather cleaner. The leather shield is the same. Leather shield protects your leather for dirt, for fading colors, and so on, and it is much more easier to clean after this. We recommend this in the first 3 years. And how to use is shake a little bit the cleaner, mild or strong, depends how dirty your leather is. Apply a little bit foam on the sponge, never directly on the leather, and then start to clean one area after the next. In this case I have a sofa, but you can do also an armchair, of course, and a car seat the same. So clean this area, wipe it with a cloth, let it dry 5 till 10 minutes by room temperature, and when it's clean and dry, apply leather shield. Take a new cloth, shake it, not too much, just a little bit. Then put something in the gloss. So press it together and apply a thin and even layer, less is more. Let it dry and enjoy your new, clean and protected leather.